What if a simple drink could transform how you feel, inside and out, in just 7 days? It's not magic, and it's not complicated, but the results might make you rethink everything you thought you knew about your body. Curious? You're about to discover something that could change more than just your mornings. Explain the nutritional powerhouse combo? My friend, let me paint you a picture of why this humble mixture of chia seeds and lemon juice deserves a place in your daily routine. You see, chia seeds are like tiny treasure chests packed with some of nature's most powerful nutrients. Just 1 tablespoon of these little seeds contains a surprising amount of fiber, which keeps your digestive system running like a well-oiled machine. Omega-3 fatty acids, which support heart health and reduce inflammation, and protein, a key player in muscle repair and energy production. They're so nutrient-dense that the ancient Aztecs considered them a staple food for endurance and strength. Now, let's not overlook the other star of the show, lemon juice. This zesty powerhouse is brimming with vitamin C, one of the most important vitamins for boosting your immune system and keeping your skin youthful and radiant. Not only that, but lemon juice also has natural detoxifying properties, helping your liver flush out toxins and keeping your body in balance. When you mix these two together, you've got what I like to call a super drink. The fiber from the chia seeds teams up with the hydrating and alkalizing properties of lemon juice to give your body a 1-2 punch of health. The result? A concoction that supports digestion, boosts energy, and helps your cells thrive. Imagine your body as a garden. This drink is the water and sunlight it needs to flourish. Highlight: digestive and weight loss. Benefits. Now let me ask you something. Have you ever felt that sluggish, bloated feeling after a heavy meal? Or perhaps you've been trying to shed a few pounds but can't seem to shake the cravings. Well, my friend, this is where the magic of chia seeds and lemon juice truly shines. When you soak chia seeds in water, they swell up to several times their size, forming a gel-like substance. Think of it as nature's way of helping you feel full without overeating. This gel travels through your digestive system slowly, creating a sense of satiety that keeps those pesky hunger pangs at bay. Plus, the fiber in chia seeds acts like a broom, sweeping through your intestines and helping things move along smoothly. No more bloating, no more discomfort. Just a happy, well-functioning digestive system. On the other hand, lemon juice comes in to play the role of a detox hero. Its natural acidity stimulates the production of bile, which is essential for breaking down fats. And here's a little secret. A well-functioning liver is your best friend when it comes to weight loss. By detoxifying your system, lemon juice helps your body process food more efficiently and store less fat. I remember a dear friend of mine who tried this drink for a week. She was skeptical at first. "How can something so simple make a difference?" she asked. But by the end of the week, she was singing its praises. Her jeans fit a little looser, her stomach felt flatter, and she had a spring in her step she hadn't felt in years. It's not a magic potion, of course, but it's a step in the right direction. Showcase energy and mental clarity improvements. Now let me tell you something about energy, my friend. There's the kind of energy that comes from a strong cup of coffee, a jittery, short-lived buzz, and then there's the kind that comes from real, sustained nourishment. The kind that chia seeds and lemon juice can give you. Chia seeds are little energy bombs. thanks to their unique combination of protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. But here's the key. They release that energy slowly, keeping you fueled throughout the day without the dreaded crash. It's why long-distance runners and endurance athletes often turn to chia seeds. They're like nature's version of a battery pack. Now add lemon juice to the mix. Not only does it hydrate your body, but it also replenishes electrolytes thanks to its potassium and magnesium content. And when your body is well hydrated, your mind works better too. You'll notice sharper focus, better concentration, and a feeling of mental clarity that's hard to ignore. Let me share a quick story. A neighbor of mine, a school teacher, started drinking this mixture every morning before her busy day. She told me, "I feel like my brain fog has lifted. I used to drag myself through the afternoon, but now I feel more awake and focused." It's incredible how something as simple as a drink can have such a profound impact on your mental state. Skin and hair transformation. Ah, my friend, let me share a little secret that not enough people talk about. You see, glowing skin and shiny, healthy hair don't come from fancy lotions or overpriced serums. They come from the inside out. And this simple mixture of chia seeds and lemon juice, it's like nature's beauty elixir in a glass. Let's start with the lemon juice. Packed with vitamin C, it's a powerhouse for collagen production. Collagen, as you may know, is what keeps your skin firm, smooth, and youthful. Without enough of it, skin starts to sag and lose its elasticity. Vitamin C also acts as a potent antioxidant, fighting off those pesky free radicals that cause wrinkles and dullness. So, by sipping this drink, you're essentially giving your skin the tools it needs to repair and regenerate. Now, chia seeds take things a step further. They're rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are like a magic potion for both skin and hair. Omega-3s reduce inflammation in the skin, calming redness and preventing breakouts. They also keep your scalp hydrated, which means less dandruff and stronger, shinier hair. And let's not forget the fiber in chia seeds. By keeping your gut healthy, it indirectly benefits your skin too. After all, a happy gut often equals happy skin. Discuss hydration benefits. Now let me ask you, have you ever felt that sluggish, tired feeling that no amount of coffee can fix? Or maybe your joints feel a little stiff, like they need some oiling? My friend, the answer might be as simple as hydration, and this chia lemon drink is a master at keeping your body hydrated. You see, chia seeds are like tiny sponges. When soaked in water, they absorb up to 10 times their weight, creating a gel-like consistency. What does this mean for you? It means that every sip of this drink is packed with slow-releasing hydration, keeping your body quenched for hours. It's not just about drinking water anymore, it's about making the most of every drop. Hydration is the cornerstone of so many bodily functions. It keeps your metabolism running smoothly, which helps you burn calories more efficiently. It also lubricates your joints, reducing stiffness and discomfort, something we all appreciate as the years go by. And let's not forget how hydration supports kidney function, flushing out toxins and keeping your body balanced. But here's the kicker. Lemon juice takes the hydration benefits to the next level. It's not just water. It's water with a purpose. The natural electrolytes in lemon juice, like potassium and magnesium, help your body retain the right amount of fluids and maintain a healthy balance. Plus, the tangy flavor makes you want to drink more, which is always a bonus. Detox and immunity-boosting properties. My friend, our bodies face toxins daily, from the food we eat to the air we breathe, and over time they can leave us feeling tired, sluggish, and prone to sickness. That's where this chia seed and lemon juice drink works wonders. Lemon juice is a natural detoxifier supporting the liver, your body's filter, to flush out toxins. It's packed with vitamin C, an antioxidant that strengthens your immune system and reduces inflammation. Meanwhile, chia seeds improve gut health with their high-fiber content, which helps cleanse the digestive tract and feeds the good bacteria in your gut. Since 70% of your immune system resides in your gut, keeping it healthy is key to fighting colds and viruses. This drink doesn't just detox, it energizes. The hydrating chia seeds and lemon juice replenish your body with water and electrolytes, helping you feel refreshed and revitalized. Many people report reduced bloating, clearer skin, and better energy after adding it to their routine. How to prepare the chia seeds and lemon juice drink. Quick method. Start by soaking 1 tablespoon of chia seeds in a cup of water, 200 to 250 milliliters, for about 10 to 15 minutes, allowing them to expand and form a gel-like texture. While the chia seeds are soaking, squeeze the juice of half a fresh lemon, or more, depending on your taste, into a separate cup. Once the chia seeds are ready, add them to the lemon juice and stir well with a spoon. For an extra touch of flavor, you can add a teaspoon of honey for sweetness, a few mint leaves, or a small piece of ginger for a refreshing twist. Serve the drink fresh, ideally in the morning on an empty stomach, or enjoy it as a healthy snack during the day. Who should avoid this drink? Low blood pressure. Chia seeds are great for lowering high blood pressure thanks to their omega-3 content. However, if you naturally have low blood pressure or are on medication for it, this drink could lower your pressure too much, causing dizziness, fatigue, or fainting. For those with low blood pressure, moderation is key. Start with smaller portions and monitor how your body reacts. And as always, consult your doctor to ensure it's safe for you. Digestive issues. While chia seeds are packed with fiber and promote gut health, they can be hard on sensitive stomachs or those with IBS or IBD. Overeating chia seeds might lead to bloating, gas, or diarrhea, especially if you're not drinking enough water. To avoid discomfort, start with a small amount and gradually increase, making sure to hydrate properly. Acid reflux or stomach ulcers. Lemon juice is acidic and may worsen symptoms of acid reflux or irritate stomach ulcers, leading to heartburn or discomfort. If you have a sensitive stomach, dilute the lemon juice more, drink it after meals instead of on an empty stomach, or try alternatives like cucumber water. Always listen to your body and adjust as needed. So, my friend, if you found this information helpful and think it could benefit someone you care about, don't keep it to yourself. Share this simple yet powerful drink with your friends and family on WhatsApp. After all, good health is even better when it's shared. Let the benefits reach everyone, and together, let's make healthier choices part of our daily lives.